Hey everyone, Carl here at the AIM Expo, checking out some of the cool stuff at Cruztools. They make some high quality toolkits for your bike. We got Morgan here. He's got a couple of really exciting products. Morgan, what do you got for us today?
Yeah, thanks. So we're coming out with the new BMW B2 kit. This is going to be specific for 2019 models. So if you have an R1250 GS, F850, 750 GS, etc., this is going to be the kit for you. So it's coming out early next year. It's going to include specific items that you're going to need for either the road or the trail, such as 34 millimeter axle tool, so you can take that rear wheel off if you need to. We also have a nice little combo tool, so if you need to do an oil change, that sort of thing, we got you covered. But next up, shifting to the metric side of things, we have the small speed kit. This is going to be $32.95. So this guy is basically a re-envisioned version of the OEM toolkit. So everyone needs one, and chances are the used bike that you picked up probably doesn't have it. So critical to have that guy. Moving forward, if you need a little more comprehensive kit, you got the metric M1 kit. That one's going to be $64.95. More comprehensive. It's got a little more tools that you need to get you through. And then if you need all the tools for you, for any kind of roadside repair, we got the full meal deal, which is going to be the Road Tech M3 kit. So yeah, that's a nice upgrade. It's got the socket set, ratchet, etc. So that's a good one to have, and that one retails for $89.95.
All right, great. So there's a lot of tools out there that folks can buy. I mean, you know what? What is the difference between a Cruztools and something that you can just kind of run down to your local hardware store and get?
Yeah, glad you asked. So the one thing that we try to do with Cruztools is make sure that all the kits that we put together are motorcycle specific. So we really focus with brands to figure out, okay, you have a Honda, we want to figure out which fasteners you need and which tools to go along with those. So they're very focused. And then the other really critical aspect is lifetime warranty, no questions asked. So somehow, some way, you manage to break one of our tools, send us a photo, we'll send you a new one, no problem.
That's cool. So what kind of brand motorcycles you guys focus on? I mean, I know you have BMW.
Sure.
I'm guessing also KTM. Who else?
Yeah, so we have Harley, KTM, Husqvarna, metric Japanese, so Kawasaki, Honda, Suzuki. We got BMW, and we're just coming out with a brand new kit for the Indian motorcycles. So we're excited about that as well.
Well, that's awesome, Morgan. Thank you very much for everything, and
Yeah,
good luck
thank you.
with the rest of the show.
All right, thanks.